Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different sort of video. I'm going to be doing a get it all done with me video. Essentially, I'm going to take you through a couple days where I just get everything done that I need to get done. So if you have some work to get done, make sure you grab that and let's get it done together. There's a lot of cleaning motivation and there's also going to be some recipes towards the end of this video just because it was part of what I had to get done. So stay tuned for those, and there's going to be a lot of cleaning motivation in this video, so if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning motivation. I'm super excited for this video, so let's get into it. So there's going to be a common theme in this video. I honestly do a lot of dishes and laundry. My mom works from home right now because of COVID, so it's just me and her home for the most part. So usually she'll be working all day, but I really just try to help out as much as I can while also still obviously staying on top of like schoolwork and videos. So laundry and dishes I find are the easiest things to do and probably the things that need to get done the most. Honestly, I can't function very well in a super dirty environment. I am starting in the kitchen. I will clean the kitchen a few times in this video, but I am getting everything tidied and clean and, you know, just giving this room a refresh. Okay, so quickly, one more thing. I know I said that I do a lot of laundry and dishes in this video. This was one thing that my mom just wanted to get done. We just have this basket of old clothes that we actually ended up donating. Literally, I think like 99% of it because my dad wanted like one shirt in it. So I went through this little basket for her and we were able to clean out a cupboard in our house. So that was really nice. And this mistake is on me. I did dishes at lunch and I did not run the dishwasher. So here's me realizing I need to clean everything by hand. Way to go. Let's get it done. Now it is the next day and I'm going to be doing a few loads of laundry this day. For some reason we just had a lot of laundry to do this day. Honestly, laundry doesn't really take me that long, and it's nice because when I'm doing it, I'll usually put on like some YouTube, or sometimes I'll do like a little podcast and I'll just bring out the laundry in my room, put all the piles away, and I don't know, it's just really relaxing for me. Hi, Missy. Oh, hello. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, not in the house. Not in the house. No, kitty, no. Uh-oh. No. Come here. No. Come here. Kobe. Here, kitty. No. Kitty. No. I see you. Okay. It's okay. Bye-bye. Oh, no. Kitty. No. Watch your head. And your tail. Okay, so my OCD kind of kicked in a little bit this night, so I kind of just went around and did some random things. Replaced towels, reached out toilet paper. I know, glamorous, but these are the last final things that I really wanted to get done before I called cleaning off for the day. Okay, so we are going into our first recipe. Super simple. It's just a really easy dinner idea. It's just spaghetti that you can keep warm in the crock pot. So we are starting with the sauce. We use ground beef. You can also use like ground turkey or just whatever meat you prefer to have in your meat sauce. And I'm jazzing it up a little bit with some basil, oregano, onion, and garlic powder. Really don't be afraid to use these seasonings. I learned that the more heavy-handed I am with them, the more flavorful it is. Just don't be afraid of those flavors. And then you just do any jar of pre-made or even homemade spaghetti sauce that you have. Super simple. You just cook it in there. The meat is already cooked through, so you don't need to worry about that. And I just add more seasonings just to jazz it up a little bit because it is store-bought. And I also go pretty light with the salt since store-bought sauce is pretty full of sodium. And I did this early in the day, so I just put the sauce in a crock pot and I put it on low, and I would just have it, I think I had it cook for just like a few hours until dinner. And yeah, so I just made some pasta. Mine happened to be gluten-free. And then I just put the sauce on top and we had some green beans and it was delicious. So now we are getting into my chia seed pudding recipe. If you have followed me for a while, you know that chia seed pudding is my favorite breakfast and I eat it literally every morning. So first we are going to be starting with some almond milk. You can also just use regular dairy milk, oat milk, and I also have some chia seeds seeds. Now this recipe I believe is like tripled or quadrupled, so that's why the measurements are a little bit funky. We are trying to get the right consistency here. I'll show you what it looks like when you have enough chia seeds. I've made it so many times, honestly, I just know what it looks like. And the thing with chia seeds is you need to let it sit a few times and mix in between. The whole process usually takes about 10 minutes if I'm making a big jar like this, and it needs to be in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. I actually do it overnight and it's super convenient. So now we are getting into the jam. This is very simple. It's literally 2 ingredients. You are going to put some frozen strawberries, or you can use any frozen fruit. You can use fresh fruit. And I literally just put in a few tablespoons of honey. That is literally all it is. And as the frozen fruit, or just fruit in general, cooks down, the water is drawn out and you are left with a nice jam. And then I'm just using a potato masher to mash it up. I like to have it like a few strawberry chunks in it, but I like it to be not whole, you know? So after you smash them up, you want it to boil for probably 3 to 5 minutes or so until you see that nice little sort of foaming bubble consistency. And then we are just going to be putting it into a jar. Make sure you let it cool before you put it in the jar. And there you have it. The next morning I had it like this. You just put the jam in the bottom with any sort of fruit you like, and I like to put nuts on top. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, got some motivation, and you got some stuff done. I definitely did. I love this video just because it's so practical. But yeah, so if you like what you see, make sure that you subscribe, and also make sure that you give this video a thumbs up to let me know. I can definitely make more of these videos for you guys. So anyway, I hope you guys are all having an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday in my next video. Bye!